Ryan swimming time. Come on. It's cold? It's okay, just dip. It'll be okay. Okay, 50 laps. At least 4 days a week. You want to make it as a routine for Ryan. Because of traveling, all he lost his track. Ryan, are you done? Tired? Good, at least 4 days a week we should do it. Yeah? Let's go home. Mommy is waiting for us. Happy Valentine's Day.
Ang linis na ulit ng condo, guys. Nagpalinis kami. Oh, tingnan nyo. Squeaky clean.
It's very clean. Very, very clean.
She cleaned so well. Tingnan nyo ang rooms. Pasensya na kayo sa kalat dyan. I-arrange ko pa. Ang bedroom. Diba? 350 yung nabayad namin sa kanya. Pero, super worth it na. Si Ryan naliligo. Galing silang swimming, diba, ni Daddy Ram. And, nagluluto kami ng, egg curry.
Only onion, onion egg curry.
Yeah. What is watching, Daddy?
Hindi series.
Hindi series? Seryosong seryoso ang aming Ryan boy. Hello, boy!
The Hindi series in English here. Because the default selecting English.
Yeah, and Daddy Ram is trying to make tea, Indian chai. Ang gamit namin na milk is Bear brand. So, we'll see kung okay ba siya. Kung okay ang lasa. This is our Valentine's tea.
You see how many days already we are a chai people. Hyderabad tea people. You can share that one, just trying.
Oh.
It's really good. Taste it.
Wow.
It's been like 15-16 days. The last we had tea.
15-16, it's been like 1 week maybe.
Yeah, always go that pista
So
house.
good.
Very good, right? I didn't expect maybe. It's like come up so well.
Maybe we need to boil more little. Add little sugar.
Sugar, yeah.
Bro, this tastes like exactly like Hyderabadi tea.
It's really the bun maska tea. It's a good one.
If we had bun maska, that would be so good.
Bun maska can do it also easy. What butter, sugar, and bun.
It's just bun and then
But we
some
don't know
butter.
which bun.
You know.
Any bun. A lot of nice bun here in Philippines.
Here bun is better.
Yeah.
And then India?
So we can make bun maska chai
How
here.
about chai biscuits?
Let's make them try. Mom, they all.
See, if we know how to make bun maska and have this tea and chai biscuit, we can open an small little Indian chai shop.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay. This boy is full of ideas.
Amazing,
Perfect,
amazing,
right?
amazing.
I didn't expect actually it's somewhat so well.
Someone's wearing cap, Daddy.
That's fine.
Now it's Ram Sana. Before it was Sana Ram, and now
Ryan Sana now.
Yeah,
Yes.
Ryan Sana.
So, punta kami kina Mama, guys. Doon kami mag-celebrate ng Valentine's Day together with the fam-bam. May plano sila na magbubudol fight daw kami. Kailan daw namin i-celebrate Valentine's Day. Wala mo lang kabulak-ulak itong ating mister, guys. Hintayin natin kung magbibigay po mamaya. Nagpagasolina muna kami, guys, sa aming new favorite petrol station.
Yeah.
Mas mura dito as compared sa Shell, Petron, gano'n. So, mag-subscribe na kami sa Eagle.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
See, the always missing in action, guys. Always busy, Bryle. Where is Bryle? Where is Bryle?
No action only. Right? Look at Ryan here. Look at Ryan.
Yeah. And no.
You want right haircut?
Okay, this side, this side, this side. That's it.
Yeah. See, same as Tito Bryle's hair. Look at it.
It's nice sleeve style.
Fine, I'll do this one.
Yeah.
Madami sa inyo guys ang naghahanap kay Bryle. The missing in action always. Lagi din siyang hinahanap ni Ryan. Tatrabaho siya guys. Dalawa yung trabaho niya. So dapat kumayod ng maigi. At hindi siya nakakagala. So hindi nakakasama sa amin. Punta kami ng Panabo kasi sunduin namin yung isa ko pa namang kapatid na si KK at saka may mga bibilin din kami. So na kami guys, hinihintay namin si KK. Dito kami nag-park sa my church. Let's go and pick her up. Looks so nice na oh. Sana all my flowers. Balloon daddy, balloon. There's balloon. There's flowers also oh. Bilhan mo naman ako daddy Ram. Pila? 50? 50. Cute din to oh. Bili daw siya. Two. One for me, one for mom. Thank you.
No, this is
For Lola Yaya. Marami pa oh. Oh, mas maganda yan. Mas gusto ko yan. Pumili pa. I want the other one, Daddy. You want the fresh coconut? Okay. Look for Tita kay Ryan. Duha. Thank you. Cannot find it, okay? It's good. You like that more? How much?
Did not ask.
You did not ask. You did not pay yet. Yeah.
Because I'm Indian, 250.
Very thin. Ryan, you want? Come on. You don't want? No? Coconut. Is it sweet?
Coconut only.
Finally. Magpalingki ka dali. Daddy Ram, back to the market. Bili kami ng mangoes at saka pineapple, right?
Yeah.
Pineapple. Choose, Daddy. Kanang tamis daw, te. Ikaw na daw bahala, te.
Ilang kabok, ma'am?
Isa lang.
Kani?
Mango, don't have.
Mango, wala.
120 ni ma'am.
120. Langka. $100 per kg. Punta na kami ng mall, guys. Bili ng mang inasal para may makain si Daddy Ram sa ating boodle fight. Yes, mag-boodle fight tayo, KK. Eat all you can. Long queue. What will do?
Did you order a Grab or something?
There's no Grab here. Only Davao. Di ba, Kay?
Kami ba? Dili ka po sa Davao. Ay, bakit? Kailansa.
Try na lang namin sa Penox. Yung madaanan na Penox lang. Look at these two. Running. Oh my God. Competing, I think, Daddy Ram. Seems like everyone is out, guys, because of Valentine's Day. Long queue everywhere.
Yeah.
And sobrang traffic.
Look like everyone is out.
We'll try to buy the chicken barbecue in Penongs. It's a competition for Mang Inasal. So they sell almost the same products.
Let's see. Let me taste.
Yeah, maybe you will like that one also. I'm hungry. It's 6:30 already. I think they're waiting for us and eagerly want to eat. Mom already called, where are you?
This is late because of me.
6 o'clock na you usually eat dinner, baby. Can you imagine? 6 o'clock, yeah. Ready na ang mag-boodle fight?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Grabe, oy! Wow. Nabuti na yung chicken. Ah, okay.
Looking for automatic?
O, na pa may fruits. Take your chicken. That's the motor I'm telling you about. This is chicken skin. Try. So crispy and delicious.
Ram, try.
Yummers. Hindi ka siya kanal skin na one. Ano? Salty daw. Okay. Maayo na ay manok dayon mo. Chicken okay? Sige kay ning liver sa vlog.
Liver?
Yeah.
Ika?
Nag-burp ka ng vlog. Hindi na ko ikat.
Eh!
What you want, Nana? You're eating only the mango. Eat chicken also. Right. Pineapple, Daddy. It's raining.
Kain tayo guys, so sobrang sarap mo sinamak.
Nasolo ng mukbang. Ulo.
Solo.
Chicken skin.
Saan ka daw galing, Bryle? Ha, bakit ka daw busy?
Training guys.
Naghanap buhay.
Nakakagawa. Yung handal paglaban na. Magpapakasal na. Ay, namin na!
Apel.
Ayaw mo! Ayaw, mabagagap eh!
Nandiyan ako may cut. Bahala ka diya, Bryle.
Driver, yung mabagagap mo.
Bahala.
Ano?
Si Papa si Kata.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Ma, nakaisa pa to, ma. Awa, ako ay isa. May na lang. Valentine's Day. Relaxing and chilling ang batang ito, guys. Dito sa room ni Bryle. Gustong gusto niya dito. Kasi, super blast ang AC. Ha? Dan wala din si Bryle dito. Nagtatrabaho. So, sabi na dito, Bryle, just stay at my room, Ryan. Tito Bryle said you'll sleep here and stay here. You'll agree? Huh? Yeah. Dad and me will go home, then you stay here.
No.
You will be back tomorrow. We'll go somewhere. Tomorrow. Somewhere here.
You pick me up today?
Tomorrow.
What? I'll sleep here?
Yeah.
Okay,
With Tito Bryle.
I'll try my best. What happened if I can't sleep?
You okay, Daddy?
Yeah, fine.
Ito nagtatrabaho si Daddy Ram. Your son is willing to sleep here. He said he will sleep at Bryle's room. He said
Stay
yes.
here tonight. Seriously?
But we'll go home in a while.
Yeah.
Are you done? I still
Yeah, I'm
need
done.
time.
I'm done. I'm ready to go.
Okay.
That's nice.
Pauwi na kami, guys. As usual. Walang traffic kasi alas 10 na. Laging ganitong oras kami talaga umuwi para diretso-diretso lang. 20 minutes, we are already home. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
Super fast pag walang traffic. 20 minutes, we really reach home.
Driver,
Looking so good with your cap, Nana.
that's mine.
It's not your cat, it's my cat. You bought it,
Because my subscribers said I'm good with my haircut, looking good.
so you passed it down to me.
Still, I use sometimes.
S. Sana.
Sana Ryan.
Daddy Ram, how was your boodle fight experience? Huh? Were you shocked?
I saw real Budul fight. I saw real Budul. Actually, I was shocked like some problem.
Kasi guys, hindi ko alam kung anong setup nila. It would have been nice if we are also included in the boodle fight. Siguro hesitant sila na include si Ram doon sa talagang ganong sabakan.
Yeah, they are actually, they give me much respect.
Yeah, kaya
Like, whether I want to do it or not, like kind of thing.
So, sa plato kami kumain, guys. Ganun yung prepare nila. Kasi busy nga kami. Nagpunta kami sa Panabo, diba? Sinundun ako si KK. Tapos nagpunta ng palengke. So, marami kaming ginawa.
Heavy rain, so much traffic.
Oo, talaga. So, natagalan kaming umuwi. Pag uwi ko, ganun na yung setup. Dinasabi ko kay Mama, Mama, bakit ganito? Dapat kasali din kami sa boodle fight. Sabi ni Mama, okay lang daw. At least mas komportable daw si Ram sa
That
pagkain.
too is late for them.
Oo.
That's one of the reasons.
Kasi usually 6 o'clock kumakain na sila. Tapos 7 o'clock na kami nakarating. Nagutom na talaga. Nagulat sila. Hala! Talagang pagdating namin kain agad. Pero nakakatuwa. We'll do it again. Maybe.
Plan properly.
And the thing is, they put all the meat there, baby. Like some pork and
Yeah.
chicken. Maybe you won't like those.
Certain, yeah,
Food.
I know.
Ah.
It's not, I'm not familiar with those.
Kaya iniba. Pero okay lang. Next time. Ryan, had fun with the boodle fight? Si Ryan talaga, guys.
Ryan has a one boodle fight.
Grabe. Gustong gusto niya yung mango, yung chicken. Right, Nana?
Chicken, rice.
Ate so well, our boy.
I ate chicken and jackfruit.
Jackfruit, mango. The pineapple was so sweet. My God.
Pineapple.
Oh, you did not eat Daddy?
I ate this jackfruit.
Jackfruit, that's why you don't want to mix. But oh my God, it's so good, so
When I
sweet.
saw that pineapple, I really can see the color. She always cook good one way.
It's because I don't really like it because I used to love it, but it gives some taste on my tongue.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll go somewhere, guys, with the fam bam.
Yeah.
So we need to sleep early. Dad keep telling, come around 9 o'clock. You should be here. Right, Daddy? Keep telling you because he knows we always wake up late. So sinabi niya na like, maaga kayo magpunta.
He'll be there, he'll be there.
Yeah. So we need to work, 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 and then sleep.
Work, work, sleep.
Yes. Okay, say bye to guys now. Bye, guys.
Bye guys, like, share, subscribe,
Like,
like, share,
share.
ring the bell icon.
Bye,
Bye,
see you
bukas.
bukas.
Peace. Happy Valentine's Day.